Hi, my name is Ray Chu. I'm a principal and the co-owner of PADT based in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm excited to announce our partnership with Rapid Fusion. Rapid Fusion is a robotics large format polymer additive manufacturing solution developer based in UK.
We are extremely excited to be partnered with PADT. They are a key partner for our plans of growth across the globe. The relationship with PADT is a significant one for Rapid Fusion, as this is our first expansion into the US market.
Rapid Fusion has successfully deployed their systems in European companies in the aerospace, defense, construction, automotive industries.
The US market, as we know, is one of the largest AM sectors in the world. For us, finding the right partner such as PADT was essential for our success for global plans of expansion.
PADT will be representing Rapid Fusion in the US and Canada market. Together with Rapid Fusion, we will supply solutions to meet the needs of a customer needing large format additive manufacturing systems.
This is a key market for us to launch and grow our product portfolio into the US market. We plan to sell our full range of products from Apollo that you see behind me to Zeus, our subtractive and additive cell, as well as Medusa, our all-in-one additive solution.
We thank you and we look forward to working with you